backyard all the time. I asked him how big were they, and he held his arms up like this.
Round 3. Good luck.
We need a yes, dude.
Wow. Let's see if she'll brighten up here. Well, this is the first start to the 2025 deer season. Alright, now we're on the road. Had to grab my saddle and platform. I think we're gonna get that set up. So anyways, this is the start to the 2025 deer season, and we're off to an amazing start. My friend Dylan Dobbs has an absolute giant on camera. He's got two. One of them's a freak, one of them's still a giant Georgia deer, and that's the plan for opening day. Maybe we get it done opening day. If not, that'll be the plan for my beginning of the season. It's so big that we definitely want to capture this for y'all and get it all on film. So I'm going to be filming him the first couple weeks. Hopefully it doesn't take long. But we're headed up there now to get some feed out, get our setup fully good. It is August the 24th. So season starts September 13th, I believe. We don't have too much longer. But I'm headed over to his house now. We're gonna hop in his truck and head up there and scope it out. We got some horses on the road. Well, the day is finally here. We've been waiting on this day a long time.
We're a little behind. We've got about 3 weeks till season. I got the spot back in the summer working up here, and 2 big deer coming in every single day, and then the last week they just kind of vanished. So we're up here kind of on a door knock mission. Gonna put some more feed out and see if we can relocate them. A lot of guys like to have a folder or something for their door knock spots. I ordered these sportsman permission cards from Jay Maxwell with 4610 Productions a few years back, and they're super easy. You can just slip them in your wallet, and yeah, I love them. So y'all go get some.
Round 3. Good luck.
We need a yes, dude. Nope.
Dang.
Got a maybe.
Maybe.
Got a maybe. We'll see. He's gonna get back with me.
Nice.
No answer. I've got to get the spot though. The spot's gonna be money.
Well, we got some cameras out. Got the setup looking pretty good. So
yeah, it was still a positive day. We've got our stands up, feed out, mock scrapes. Just need them to cooperate, and need opening day to get here quick.
It's a dead deer. How are we feeling? It's the day before.
You tell me. Should be good.
We shot about 12 shots. I think we
Yeah.
got 12 dead deer so far.
If he comes in under 30, we're good.
We'll shoot a couple more, then we'll be good to go.
Finally here, I can't believe it. We've been feeding since June, so hopefully it all pays off. And the past couple months, we've also been working on my shop in here. Past probably 10 or 15 years of all mine and my dad's bow kills are in here, so y'all come check it out. Alright, so this is a deer I shot in Kansas a few years back, and we didn't find it while I was there, but they found it in turkey season and sent it to me. So, 161, pretty cool. Cool thing about this is all of these sheds I have right here are off deer that I killed. So this is the big 9 that I shot last year. This is his shed from 2 years ago. And then this is a deer I call Stickers. He had a lot of trash the year before this year, and then I shot him the year after, but it's a deer I put on the wall. All these are from my Big 10 that I shot. This is 2 years before I shot him. Year before I shot him. And then, y'all don't tell Lee, but I think this is Spikezilla. What's big Atlanta deer.
That thing is huge. What's the story behind
First
that?
deer.
That's your first deer?
First deer, yeah.
Gosh, so we're going from this little guy right here
That's where it all started.
to the beast that we're about to hunt tomorrow.
That's where it all started.
The time is here.
Alright guys, tomorrow's the day. Tomorrow's opening day. We've been waiting all summer on it. And I got this spot back in June. I honestly wasn't planning on, I wasn't even thinking about deer at the time, but I was up in Atlanta working and I was on the phone with Caden. We're contractors for Georgia Power, so I was looking at a power pole in this guy's front yard. He was on the porch. So just out of habit, I got on X. He had a little property, and I said, "Hey, Caden, hold on, watch this." And I asked the guy for hunting permission, and I think he was more excited than I was. He told me he sees giant bucks in his yard every year. When I asked him how big, he held his arms up like this. I actually named this deer Wiley off of the guy on Grown Ups that's in a full body cast with his arms up like that. But we're excited. Tomorrow's opening day, so we've been feeding all summer and they're somewhat consistent, so hopefully they come in tomorrow before daylight. So y'all stay tuned.
Really? Oh, nice. I get out of the truck. It's opening day. We're off to just a fantastic start. We got problems.
What?
I just spilled chocolate milk all over my phone, my seat, my pants. You got a napkin I can wipe my seat real quick? Or anything?
Not the hunting pant.
I know.
We get blown at. Opening day.
Finally here.
Finally here, headed to Atlanta. Go Dogs.
Let's go.
And I expect them to really turn loose.
Decent bucks were daylight this morning. On your camera.
And one that's the one that's got the big sign and the small.
right, y'all. Glad to be back in. Super excited for another season. It's opening day 2025. We got 2 good bucks coming in, so we're hoping one of them gives us a shot tonight. Lord willing, we'll make it happen. Barrett.
I hit him in the shoulder. Listen. Let's get down and check the arrow quick. Are you sure? I think you got one. You hit in front of the lump, and he was quartered to a little behind. Well, let me go get my arrow. Let's get out of here before it gets dark. I don't want to bugger up the other deer.
I hit him perfect, but I squared up his shoulder, like not high shoulder, but low shoulder.
The back arrow? The back shoulder or the front shoulder?
Front shoulder.
But it wasn't the scapula, it was like the low.
It wasn't the scapula, it was like lower, like if I punched through I should have got heart.
Yeah.
Actually, we'll probably look a little bit and then back out if we have to.
We'll get the footage and send it to him. Let's freaking go.
Dude, I think my deer's dead. Guess what? I don't know. We got good video. It looked like I hit low shoulder. I got about 8 inches broke off in him. We got about 8 inches of penetration. The shot was a little bit forward, so we're gonna go into the hit and just take it real slow and quiet and see if we see any blood. Keep y'all updated. Alright, he was standing right in here where I shot. Let's see, he's this way. Where? He was on back up. I think he stepped up. There's some. Blood. Come on, baby, open up. Right here. Right here. Yeah, right down through here. Look at that. Dad, that's more than shoulder, ain't it? It's got some bubbles in it. It's got some. Right here. This looks good. He might have stopped right here. Right here. Right here. Right here. There he is, look. Let's go. Good job.
Thank you.
It all paid off.
Let's go.
Hold this.
Dude, that's awesome.
Look at that deer.
God, dude. That is a man.
That is a big deer. Good night. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. Look at this mass.
Pulling away from your old man.
Look at this mass. I can't touch. I can't touch.
I knew that size looked really thick.
Look at this dagger. Look at that split too. Look at this, Dad. Look at that too. You look at him from the front. On film. Let's go. We did. Good God. Dad, that's a 140-inch deer. I'm being serious. All right, guys, we found them. We were nervous about the hit, but the beast broadhead did its job. He ran probably 120 yards and good blood all the way. Couldn't be more happier right now. Thank you, Lord. I've been feeding this deer since June. He was the first deer I had show up on camera here, so glad to finally get my hands on him.
Man.
Beautiful deer, opening day.
Look at the body on him. It's the biggest body we've ever seen.
Yeah, the body is unreal. It's got to be a 5-year-old deer. Thank y'all for watching. Y'all stay tuned. We got one bigger than this we're after, so Lord willing, we're gonna make it happen.
Holy crap.
Lord,
I know, full velvet.
What's up?
He's starting. Like,
Good.
He's just got like a little line right there.
Jeez.
And a line somewhere else.
He's got a monster body too. That's heavy.
I know, Blaine drug him out the whole way while I just held the head up.
Is that the exit or the entrance?
The exit. The entrance don't look much better. I don't know. I think I'm.
The arrow was sticking back like she did about the same spot I hit that little thing.
Oh, wow.
And it ran about the same distance.
good deer, JoJo.
Look, there's got to be something wrong.
Yeah.
Dylan, there's got to be something wrong with
Look at
those.
his nut. Yeah, look at the nuts on Josie's.
That has like a tumor or something.
I was standing in that front yard right there on the phone with Caden, taking pictures of a power pole. We were talking about door knocking, and I was trying to talk him into it, and I said, look how easy it is. And the homeowner was sitting on the front porch. I walked up to him and asked him for hunting permission, and I think he got more excited than I did. I asked him if he ever sees any big deer, and he said, oh yeah, like this. And that's when I knew it was going to be a good spot.
Hey, he's going to be pumped.
Yeah, he is. And he's gonna say, that ain't the big one. Yeah. You don't know how much I appreciate it, man.
Hey man, yeah. God almighty, no. Yeah, no, it was bigger than that.